Guys, we're playing American Marksman. I'm gonna free hunt. Wait a little bit. Okay, we're starting like right now. Okay, let's start. Oh, I like my gun. I don't really know what gun it is. Here's my deer tower. And as you know, like always, like and subscribe to the channel. Now we're searching for a deer. Like other things, other animals in America. I don't really see anything. Oh, I hear something, Let's take the binoculars. Look. Nothing there. What's that? Something at a tree. Oh. What is this? Metal. What's that? Here's another one. But where is all the animals? I'm just getting some resources for. Oh, I hear something. There's something. There's something. Take the gun. There's another gun. He's not so strong. He is strong, but the other gun is stronger. I hit a grizzly bear in this game with one shot and dead. I think it's here. There's some footprints. Don't know where it came from. I don't really know what is that. Look like my daily task. Oh, here's another. Look like my daily task is one bag of moose. That's strange. Tell me in the comments if you saw animal when I didn't see anything. Or some gold. Then I can buy on the game big deer stands and a big house. Camping site. Oh, it's under here. I will shoot it and take it. Wonder what it. Oh, dang it. Almost got me. Headshot. Now he's running. Hope he will die, like right now. Did not die. There's another one. This. What is it? strange. Yeah, that's the end of the video. Did not get something, but can do it other time. Bye.